Spreadsheets can sometimes be hard to read. The ability to format cells is essential for making a worksheet visually understandable and easily readable. Thomas from Westcal Publishing has had a company account workbook that he was working on sent back to him from his manager. Even though the content of the workbook was correct, Thomas's manager could not see the data he needed to see at a glance. Thomas needs to work on the design and layout of his workbook so that his manager can easily and quickly find the information they are looking for. Let's take a look at some formatting tools and techniques. Like working with fonts, you can also modify the appearance of cells in a variety of ways. For example, you can change the border options, fill colors, and even the format of data. To add a border, select a range of data, click the arrow next to the Borders button, and choose which type of border you wish to apply to the range. There is also a no border option, which will remove an applied border. The formatting will be applied and the selected option will now be available by clicking the border command directly. For example, here we applied thick outside borders to the cell, so this option is now reflected on the border icon. To apply a fill color, select the range of cells that you want to modify. Then click the Home tab and then the Fill Color drop-down arrow and click the desired color. Just like the Borders command, the Fill command will show the most recently applied color. Click the icon directly to apply it to additional cells. Number formats are used to change the appearance of data and improve its readability. You can find the related commands in the Number group of the Home tab. Let's take a look at these commands. You can select a number format from the drop-down menu. Currency gives default currency for country settings in your version of Microsoft Office. Apply the percentage number format. Please be aware that this option makes a number look like a percentage but also multiplies by 100. It should only be used when formatting results of certain types of percentage calculations. The accounting comma applies 2 decimal places and inserts a comma between increments of 1000. You can increase or decrease the decimal position. One thing to watch out for when formatting numbers is that the cell width doesn't always provide enough room for the data and its formatting. This will cause Excel to display a series of hash symbols in place of the actual data. This problem can be solved by adjusting the column width or by choosing another number format. You can also create a custom number format. To begin, select the cells that contain numbers you want to format. Now click the Home tab, then Number Format, and then More Number Formats. You can also right-click the selection and click Format Cells or press Ctrl and 1. The Format Cells dialog box will open. You can use this dialog box in 2 ways. You can choose a category from the left and use the options in the center of the dialog box to modify that number format, or create a custom format using one of the last 2 categories. The Special category allows you to select custom number formats based on geographic location. The Custom category contains miscellaneous formatting options.